Hey, Captain Matt, Barefoot Lighting here. Just wanted to jump in with another design tip out of Captain Matt's mind. We got this guy on Landscape Lighting Group, still learning a lot. Feedback on this one just wrapped up. Wanted to put one in the gutter, hit the top peak, but homeowner didn't want to. So that brings up a great example of sometimes you want to do things that the homeowner doesn't do. You need to sell yourself as the doctor and they're the physician. When you know what you're doing, you're going to really explain why that matters so much, right? Now, I will say right off the bat, homeowner going to be super happy with this, right? It's great. You can see the home. It's great. It's great. Now, you know, maybe a level 7 or 8 where you can step it up. Obviously this tree, it's hard because it's nighttime. I can't fully see what's happening, but you want to uplight this tree. 2 lights on the back side. You're going to backlight it so you don't take away from the home. And then I can't, okay, so you have a lot of these bushes that are silhouetted. Nothing wrong with that. It looks actually really nice throughout here. The only thing is, this looks like this is probably a long hedge, which makes it so, if I step back like this, it's just a big dark spot, right? We can take care of that, right? So I would add some 24-inch path lights. I put like one right here with about a 15-foot spread. Put like one here, probably one down here. Potentially, depending on how long this is, another one. So 2 or 3 on this side, one right here on this side. You're gonna lighten up this whole front so it's not just boom, like dark, 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 dark house. Again, the house looks great. And I'd also like this roof up here, and probably this roof, but definitely this roof is going to add to the volume. It's going to make it look less, this is just one dimensional. Adding that's going to add to the volume, add to the spatial dimension of it, and it's going to look really good. But other than that, man, this is a really nicely done. It's a great start, and yeah, you could do this with another 5 to 10 fixtures. You could really step this up a couple levels. So good job, and I'll talk to you guys soon.